Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Meman Rosina, working as assistant professor in JT Art Science and Commerce College. Today I am going to deal a new topic with you all. This is regarding the metal ions in diseases. If metal ion limit it exists or its quantity is lower, so it causes the diseases, and for that purpose we use the chelating agents to control these types of diseases. So let's see one by one in detail. So here some use of chelating agents. Here it is given metalloprotein are the chelating agent, zinc finger as medical, or we can say zinc finger in medicine, matrix metalloproteins. So first topic is metalloprotein as a drug targets. So more recent and related question to the specificity of chelating agent is that the of metalloprotein target. So it is not surprising that the many metalloproteins and metalloenzymes play a metabolic role as well as being critical in genetic information transfer. Okay, means it is not surprising for us कि many metalloproteins and metalloenzymes play a metabolic roles or as well as being critical in genetic information. So during the design and discovery realize more and more on the elucidation of the three-dimensional structures, means 3D structure of a target by X-ray crystallography, nuclear magnetic resonance method. These are the some methods. And you can see here the structure of some clinically used chelating agents for the treatment of copper and iron overload. If the copper is iron is overloaded in the body. Okay, so disease is caused. So which medicine we use for clearing? So here are some clinically used chelating agents. Those are used in hospitals for the treatment of copper and iron overloaded. So you can see the first one is D-penicillamine, second is cysteamine, and desferrioxamine B. So here the structures are given. Draw this diagram in your notebook also. Okay, draw these structures and learn it. The second is zinc finger. It is also used in medicine as a medical target. So the role of zinc is what? It is the transfer of genetic information, is believed to be structural, deriving from the specific conformation protein adopted upon complexation by the metal. Many transcription factors required for RNA transcription contain zinc. Means in the transcription process RNA is produced from DNA. Okay, so that in that reaction a transcription factors are used which containing the zinc. The existence of the metal binding domain in regulatory protein was first postulated, and the systematic repeat of cysteine and histidine residue in HIS is the histidine residue, CYS is the cysteine residue. A relatively recent target of drug design has been the zinc finger of the nucleocapsid protein. A principal approach has been to design chelating agents such as dithiobisbenzamide DIBA. Chemically modify the zinc finger cysteine residue resulting in zinc ejection. Results are highly promising and they are no optimal as yet but serves as the basis for the future rational target based drug design. So these are the some important points related to zinc finger. Now third one is matrix metalloprotein. Matrix metalloprotein are involved in extracellular matrix degradation during the cell migration. When the cell migrates, at that time, MMPs involved in the extracellular matrix degradation. Second point, normal processes include here it is the wound healing, bone remodeling, and embryo development. All these functions are highly regulated. The MMPP activity is inhibited in normal tissue by endogenous tissue inhibitors of metalloprotein. The role of matrix metalloproteinesis in metastasis has sparked intense interest as a drug of chemotherapeutic intervention. Initiation of the abnormal regulating of MMPs would in principle retard and eliminate metastasis. The medical approach to drug development is to develop the inhibitors. So these are the some medicinal approach, okay, which will competitively bind to the zinc active. So see the structure of chelating agent design here to inhibit the zinc finger function. Zinc finger function क्यों inhibit करता है? So these are the structures and diagrams from reference book Nicholas P. Farrell. You can see it. Structures DIBA, PDO. Some are the short form used for this. Last but not least, it is the matrix metalloprotein inhibitor Bestimastat. So thanks a lot for cooperating, and please subscribe the channel and like and press the bell icon. Okay, take care.